Apple's upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max could offer so much more, possibly making it the more capable model than the iPhone 18 Pro. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. With an enlarged screen and battery and multiple rumored upgrades, leaks regarding the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max continue to emerge. The leaks suggest the upcoming devices are likely to feature a smaller dynamic island, a redesigned rear appearance with new color options, and Apple's A20 Pro chip, which is likely to be built using a 2nm process. Notably, both models may feature the Cupertino-based tech giant C2 modem for enhanced connectivity and power efficiency. However, reports hint that the iPhone 18 Pro Max will have several advantages over the Pro version. First, Apple's biggest rumored difference is a variable aperture camera. The cutting-edge technology could give photographers a better control over depth of field while possibly enhancing low-light photography and close-up shots. Several reports suggest Apple may reserve this feature exclusively for the Pro Max only. Then Apple iPhone 18 Pro Max could also get an enhanced telephoto system with 6x optical zoom and a better 5 refraction prism. The regular Pro may provide a less capable 5x and 6x zoom system. And at last, in terms of battery performance, Apple is likely to feature a 5,567 mAh battery in contrast to the 4,288 mAh for the iPhone 18 Pro. With its larger battery, potentially superior cameras, and 6.9-inch display, the Pro Max could become a much more compelling choice for users who are willing to pay a premium. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.